18 January 2022. Morning Mushli. Shanti. Baptada. Madhuban. Baptada's invaluable elevated versions to be read in class on 18 January, the day of remembrance of Pitashri. Sweet children, wake up early in the morning and remember Baba with a lot of love. If you remember Baba, Baba will love you and you will be pulled. Song. Having found you, I have found the whole world. Shanti. Baba repeatedly explains to you, sweet children, children, consider yourselves to be souls. This body is not mine. It is to be destroyed. We have to go to the Father. By maintaining this intoxication of knowledge, you will have a lot of magnetism. You know you have to shed those old bodies. We mustn't stay here. So finish any attachment to those bodies. We are in this body just to do service. We do not have attachment to them. We simply have to go home. This time of the confluence age is very essential for making effort. It is only now that we understand we have been around the cycle of 84 births. The Father says, you may do your business, etc., while living at home with your families. Remember with your intellects that all of this is to be finished. We now have to return home. The Father always resides in the home. You may do business for 8 hours and rest for 8 hours. For the rest of the time, have this conversation, this heart-to-heart conversation with the unlimited Father. The Father Srimad is, sweet children, constantly stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance. The more you stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance, the more the elements will become your servants. Sannyasis never ask for anything. They are yogis and they have the faith that they have to merge into the Brahma element. They remain very firm. Simply, I am now going. I will leave this body and go. They make a lot of effort on the path of devotion. Many devotees commit suicide in order to meet their deities. You cannot say suicide of the soul because that can never happen. But there is suicide of the body. Your children stay in yoga and so it is as though you are immortal. You will never have the thought of doing something means wrong. But that stage has to be strong. First of all, you have to check inside yourselves. Do I have any defects? If you do not have any defects, you will be able to do service well. Father shows son, son shows father. The Father has made you worthy and you children then have to give the Father's introduction to new ones. The Father has made you children slow, clever. Baba knows there are many very good children who do service and then come here. Day and night there is the thought, how can I make this one's life worthwhile? By doing this, I will also progress in my life. There is happiness and everyone has the enthusiasm to uplift all the people in their villages and to serve their equals. The Father also says, charity begins at home. The Father sits here and gives you children teachings. Children, first of all, you have to uplift yourselves. The Father knows that the spiritual culprit is the same as it was in the previous cycle. This is a tree and it has all the sections. As you progress further, you will have visions of everything, of how everyone lives. There is definitely the genealogical tree. The intellect says that souls come from their number wise. Your children should churn the ocean of knowledge of how to do service, how to do this, and there must also be remembrance of the Father. Only by having remembrance will you progress. Baba would say, according to the drama plan, whatever has passed is fine. Beloved children, as you progress, you will have the strength of the power of yoga. Then, even if you explain a little to someone, they will quickly understand. This is also known as the arrows of knowledge. When someone is struck by an arrow, he is wounded. First, he is wounded and then he belonged to Baba. So sit in solitude and find a variety of ways. It is not that you go to sleep at night and wake up in the morning. No, you have to wake up in the morning and remember Baba with a lot of love. At night, too, go to sleep in remembrance. If you do not remember Baba, how would the Father love you? There won't be a pull. Although Baba knows that all types of children in the drama are to be number wise, nevertheless, he is not just going to sit down quickly. He would inspire you to make effort, would he not? Your children must not just give up, saying that it is in the drama. Otherwise, you will repent a lot at the end. I did this for nothing. I was influenced by Maya. The father would feel mercy. What will his condition if he doesn't reform himself? He will whip and well and experience punishment. And this is why the father repeatedly gives you the advice. Children, you have to become perfect. You have to check yourselves repeatedly. Each of you children has to ask yourself, I have received everything from the Father. So what do I lack? You have to go deep inside yourselves and look within. Just as Narad was asked, do you consider yourselves to be worthy of marrying Lakshmi? The father also asked, have you become worthy of marrying Lakshmi? What defects still remain in you for which you have to make effort to remove them? It is also explained to new children. Tell Baba whether you have any defects in you because you have to become perfect now. The Father only comes to make you perfect. So each of you ask yourself, have I become perfect like Lakshmi and Narayan? If you have defects, you have to tell the Father that you have those defects which you are unable to remove. Therefore, let him tell you what you have to do. An illness can only be removed by a surgeon. So look inside yourselves with truth and honesty. What defects do I have in me? If you tell Baba about your defects, Baba will give you some advice. Many have defects. Some have anger, some have greed, and some have wasteful thoughts. So they are unable to imbibe knowledge. The Father explains every day, even though it is not necessary to explain so much. Thus things have to be imbibed. The matter of conquering the five vices applies to this time. You do not have those evil spirits in you, but those five vices have entered you for birth after birth and made you unhappy. Baba explains to you every day about the evil spirit of lust. The eyes deceive you a great deal, and so you have to have a very good practice of looking at souls. I am a soul, and that one is a soul. You souls are brothers, are you not? You must not look at this body. All of us souls are going to go back home. The Father has come to take us back home. But you have to see whether you have become full of all virtues. What virtue do I lack? When a soul is seen, he can be told, the soul has this defect. So then, sit and give a kiran to that soul so that his illness is finished. You children should talk about sweet things with Baba. Baba, you are like this. Baba, you are so sweet. So by having remembrance of the Father, by your praising the Father, these evil spirits will run away and you will be happy. You know that this tree grows very slowly. Maya surrounds you on all sides. Maya then casts such a shadow over you that you became completely lost. You let go of the Father's hand. Each of your children has a connection with the Father. All the children are instruments number wise. Acha. To all the were sweet and deeply loving, long lost and now found children. Love, remembrance, and good morning from the depths of the heart, with love from the mother, the father, Bapdada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. 18 January 2022 Avyakta Bapdada. Revise 22nd of November 1972. The final form of the final service. Do you continue to have visions of your final form? The closer you come, the more you will experience it as though it is almost in front of you. You will feel as though you are to become that just now. Just as someone who is old feels that he is now old and will soon become a child again. So, do you not only have an awareness of your final form, but also a clear vision of what you are at present and what you are to become? In the beginning, you used to see that when you reach your destination, it will just be a question of taking one more step, that you have already placed one foot and that you now have to place the other foot. That is all the difference there is. So do you experience your final stage to be just as close? Do you see it clearly? Just as you can see your form very clearly in a mirror. In the same way, let your final form be just as clearly visible. In the mirror of knowledge, when a beautiful costume is in front of you and you are aware that that is what you will wear, because you can see the costume in front of you as the time for wearing that costume comes close, your attention is drawn to it. In the same way, can you see your final form in front of you and is your attention drawn to it? Call it the form of light or a costume, but you will only be able to see light. What is the form of angels? That is of light. Those who see them will experience angels to be those who are wearing costumes of light. Their crowns are light, their costumes are light, and their decoration is light. Wherever you look, you will only see light. When you look on their heads, you will only see crowns of light. From their eyes, you will see rays of light emerging. So, can you see such a form in front of you? How will your part of the form of might, the form of power, be revealed? With the form of light. Anyone who comes in front of you should become bodiless in a second. That will only happen with the form of light. If you become a lighthouse whilst walking and moving along, your body will not be visible to anyone. If you wish to pass the paper at the time of destruction, then in order to face all situations, you have to become a lighthouse. Experience this form of yours whilst walking and moving along. You now have to practice this. Completely forget your body even when you have to do any work. If you have to walk or talk with someone, then do adopt an angelic form of light to do that. When you have to play a part, you put on a costume, and when your part is finished, you take it off. You put it on in a second and become detached from it in the next. When this practice becomes firm, the suffering of karma will finish, just as pain is removed by having an injection. Hatha yogis make you practice trying to become detached from your body. So too, as soon as you have the injection of being an embodiment of remembrance, the awareness of the body will disappear. You will experience yourselves to be a form of light, and others will also experience this form of yours. This is the final service to be done. Through this, all your business and activity will be light. That is, there will be lightness. There is a saying, even a mountain became like a mustard seed. So too, when you stabilize in the form of light, all your business will become light. You will not even need to use your intellect very much. You do not have to use your intellect for anything that is light. By having this form of light, you develop the qualifications of being a master Jani Jananhar, means one who knows the secrets of each one, and a master Trikaladarshi. You will then not even have to think about whether you should do something or not. Your intellect will only have the accurate thoughts that you have to carry out. There will not be any feeling of the consequence of karma whilst in that stage. Whilst you are under the influence of an injection, even though you speak and move about, you are not aware of it. You do not even have the awareness that you are doing anything. Everything just continues to happen automatically. Similarly, the result of karma and the performing of actions will continue, but you will not have any awareness of this. It will not attract you to itself. Such a stage is called the final stage. You have to practice having this stage. How close is this stage? Have you come in front of the stage where you became the form of light when you want and come into your body when you want and do whatever you have to do until you come to the point where you maintain this stage all the time. You should at least have this stage for some time, every now and then. Only then will you be able to have this stage all the time. You used to experience the Sakar form, being in the angelic form. Even whilst he was living on this earth, you used to experience him to be an angel. You have to develop such a state. In the beginning, many used to have a vision of this. They used to see nothing but light. They would also have a vision of their crown of light many times. Whatever sample you saw in the beginning will be the practical form at the end. You will see the result of success through thoughts. Just as you give directions with words, in the same way, you will be able to carry out your entire business with thoughts. Scientists are able to receive directions from Earth whilst up above. So, are you not able to carry out your activities with well elevated thoughts? After all, it is silence that science has copied. So, they are clearly in front of you already so that you can become an example. You did this a cycle ago, so there is then no need to say anything. Just as you clarify something with words, in the same way, let all your activities be carried out with thoughts. The more you experience this and come close to one another, the more your thoughts will also be similar because of becoming forms of light. When your wasteful thoughts and wasting of time have finished, you will only have those thoughts which are to take a practical form. You will just have that thought, and the person who has to carry it out in practice will also have the thought that he has to do it. This is newness, is it not? When others see activity being carried out in this way, they will understand that your activity is not being carried out by your telling anyone anything, but through signals. You will look at someone and from your eyes that person will understand. The subtle region has to be created here. Acha, blessing. May you be loving to Father Brahma and be enfolded by his arms and do service as his arms. Explanation. The children who are loving to the Father remain constantly enfolded by Father Brahma's arms. Father Brahma's arms are a means of safety for your children. Those who are lovely and loving are always in the arms, means embraced. So, in doing service, you are Bapdada's arms and you stay in the Father's arms. Experience both of the saints. Sometimes be enfolded by The arms, and sometimes serve as his arms, have the intoxication that you are God's right hands. Slogan: the speciality of contentment and happiness gives you the experience of the flying stage. Om Shanti. Experience the stage of being immersed in love. The Father had so much love to give you children that He sustains your children from Amrit Vela, the beginning of the day. It's so elevated. God Himself calls you to celebrate a meeting with Him. He has a heart to heart conversation with you and fills you with power. The songs of the Father's love awaken you in the morning. He calls you and awakens you with so much love. Sweet children, lovely children, come experience the practical form of the sustenance of this love in the form of an easy yogi life. Om Shanti